Hi guys, welcome to this video about a really dramatic price action on the Sony 52 to 210 millimeters lens for Sony E-mount cameras. There's something, as far as I know, would fit for these really famous Sony Alpha cameras, and usually the price has been much higher, and now there came down about 35% or something like that, which is really unusual. I mean, I was waiting since months and months for a price drop, and it didn't even come down on Black Friday or Christmas or something like that. And I had, I think it was, yeah, sometimes this price is a little bit strange. So I had an alert of 347, so probably it was around $350, and now it's $248. This is absolute unbelievable price if you want to have a really cheap, I mean cheap not regarding quality but cheap in price zoom for the Sony Alpha camera. That's absolutely awesome. Yeah, here in the questions and answers I found that will this lens work for Alpha A7R? Yes, this lens can work for this really nice camera. I mean, and it's a Sony. I mean, it's not like a cheap Chinese brand. It's a Sony. I mean, it's not a top-notch lens, but it's really high quality for $248. I almost can't believe that. And it has really good reviews, as you can see. But the really strange thing is, I mean, lately I had such a price drop in the Xiaomi Pocophone F1, and it was really obvious that somebody has entered a wrong price and it right went back up. But here you see a lot of different providers have this, I mean sellers have this price. The strange thing is, you can see there's one who has still the old price. I don't know, I mean I can't guarantee that it lasts forever, so I would be really careful if you're interested into this zoom, into this lens. I would definitely buy it now. So I'll put down the link to this listing so you can really pick one from here. I'm not providing the link to the camera. I mean, you can always click here on this thing and you can go back, but I will the link which I'll put down into the description will bring you right to this overview where you can see and select from whom you want to buy. But of course I think I would definitely, I will put down the link to this thing. It doesn't make sense to buy somewhere else. I mean, it's a same price from Amazon. I mean, this is fulfillment by Amazon. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what to do. Yeah, I think I stick with this page here because it's hard to tell what to do, because there is one where Amazon is the seller and one where Amazon is just for fulfillment by Amazon and they have zero tax. The other one from Amazon you will have to buy tax. So it's hard to decide which one to pick. I would probably still go with the Amazon.com because of warranty could be better here. You never know if this is an authorized seller, so probably I would go with this. But anyway, I will provide the whole list and so you can decide on your own. Anyway, so really good opportunity for you if you're interested into this lens. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.